Tonight's game between the Capitals and Hurricanes is likely to stay under 6.5 goals due to strong defensive play from both teams, especially Washington's disciplined structure and goaltending. Playoff hockey tends to be tighter and more cautious, reducing scoring chances. Past matchups between these teams have also been low scoring, and injuries to key Capitals forwards may further limit offensive output. Make sure to like and follow for more winning tips, and don't forget to click the link in the comments and bio for even more exclusive content.